Hello guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. Okay, as I promised in the previous video, I said that I bring a new tool that definitely you will like in Onshape. Well, many of our CAD designers has been waiting for such tool in CAD modeling. Okay, so have you ever wondered about the tool that you can play with your surface designs, just like how you manipulated in the mesh softwares like in Blender? Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is a simple surface design which I have designed when I was very beginner to CAD designing. Okay, so here right now we are going to manipulate this design without using any curves, any extrusions, and any tools. Okay, we are not touching any of the surface tools or solid tools in for this deforming operation. Okay, I'm going to introduce the only one tool called free form. Okay, free form deformation. Okay, this tool is specifically helpful that what I described before. Okay, so you can simply, as you can see on the screen, it's simply asking surfaces to deform. So as you can see, this is something called, I don't know what I can say. What I have to do, I just want to simply select this face, and you can select including all of it. As for example, instead of selecting one by one, clear all, drag and select complete surfaces. Okay, and we got the new one. As you can see, you're getting a new surface that is generated other than the original one. So the main motto is do not want to disturb the original design, so we can play with the new one. Okay, yeah, I just want to simply hide the original one, and this is the new generated one. So we are going to manipulate it. As you can see, we have lattice spaces spans. Okay, using these points only, we are going to manipulate the forms, just like how you do in Fusion 360 form feature. Okay, so here are the sections, like for example, how much how many sections you want to add and how many lattice points you want to keep it. Let's keep it 5, and these are the section within axis vises. So once I keep 5, so I got 5 3 more added, so I want to keep it 2 for now to make it simply deformation. Okay, let's start with the editing. So you can select any point you want, and make sure you should have some idea which point actually helps you to get deformation. Okay, as in the acceleration, I want some point here. I just want to keep it 3. Okay, I got one more section here, so I want to modify this shape. Okay, so what I do now, so there is no point of playing with this point, so I'm going to select this. So, and make sure you can only manipulate one point at a time. You cannot manipulate 2 points at the same time. Or else you can simply, sorry for the wrong information, you can see on the UI, it is asking to add the points. Okay, you can simply add this and add a point offset. So you can simply select it, let it load. Sometimes tool takes time to load, and add this point as offset, and I want this point to be manipulated as well. Add this point to offset. So I added 3 points here. Okay. Okay. I can simply what I do. We have the pan operations and the arrows. We don't have the rotate option for this. You can simply select one of the pen and move them. So once you move them, here you can see the points areas will be generated and the surface also will get deformed. Okay, and we need this. I want to modify this as well. I want to, for example, I want to keep it more big. Okay, this shape got changed, and we need one more point to we need to manipulate. Is this one? So as I said, you can only manipulate one point at a time. Okay, and use the arrows to move in whatever direction you want as based on in the UI. Okay. Okay, these got changed. Okay, the car shape got changed a bit. So as you can see here, it is not at all good because of the fillet direction. I think so. Okay, let's modify the backspace. Just move the arrow back. You can also play with, okay, we got changed. We need to move this as well. Just a bit. That's fine. You can also, if you want to make keep exact uh, points, you can man keep the round values within the UI. Okay, so it got changed. That's cool. Okay, and once you done everything, you can simply enable diagnostics. I don't know much more about what this diagnostic do. Okay, okay. So it's showing show bounding box, so print lattice information. So it just shows the informations like what are the just a graphical representation that makes things works easier. That's it. Okay, I'm checking one by one. Okay, so this is the box points. Okay, if you want to use navigation, you can use the enable diagnostics. So once you're done manipulating with your surface design, you can simply save the up changes and you can see you have a new surface, but every surface is a new one. It's not going to match because it's following the default shapes. Okay, but if you observe, you can see the more changes what we have changes we have done to the original compared to the previous one, right? You can see the changes right here. We have moved the point a bit and the core shape was also changed. So this is how the free form deformation works. You can also play with it when you play with the surface designs. For example, you have a design, irregular designs, right? Not a parametric ones. So you can simply use this tool and use lattice points and change the shape as you want. Okay. I hope this tool will definitely helpful for you and who mostly works with surface designs. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I know I keep the video simple, and if you want more explanation, more examples on how to work with it, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely make it for you. And that's all. If you really like this tool and the content as well, Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And I will keep on posting more exacting tools to simplify your work and save your time as well. And that's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.